Well, we boarded that old train. You know we prayed it be delayed. You know we prayed it would not claim our lives all here today. But now you know it's on its way to an unforgiving place, worse than mere disgrace. To see this on display, I can't describe this horrid state, or the last time that we ate. My body filled with rage, stuck inside a human cage. And we boarded that old train. You know we prayed it be detained. You know we prayed it would not claim our lives all here today. My kids were all displaced. They left without a trace, thrown inside those wooden crates just for being a different race. My wife, they spared her life, made her work both day and night, but she is out of sight, only appears now in my mind. My friends are all but gone, even though they did no wrong. These tears I have are strong as the blood keeps flowing on. And we boarded that old train. You know we prayed we could escape. You know we prayed it would not claim our lives all here today. On the other side of town, the people laugh and cheer, singing those old war songs and downing ice-cold beer. Underneath those darkened clouds, they salute their master king for claiming victory to a world they just don't see. And we boarded that old train. You know we prayed it would be late. You know we prayed it would not claim our lives all here today. And we boarded that old train. You know we prayed there'd come a day when our fate would not be claimed. Why must these evils still remain?